2024 Ford Super Duty F-450 DRW. With less than 6,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.